आज हम मौजूद हैं ITMSLS बड़ौदा यूनिवर्सिटी में, जहां पर आज टीचर्स डे सेलिब्रेट किया जा रहा है। टीचर्स जो स्टूडेंट्स को सही रास्ता दिखाते हैं। तो चलिए जानते हैं यहाँ के टीचर्स से उनकी जर्नी और उनके एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में। सर, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
थैंक यू।
मेरा आपसे ये सवाल है कि आपके लिए सक्सेस का रियल मीनिंग क्या है? सक्सेस वर्ड खुद ही अपने आप में इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, आपका क्या व्यू पॉइंट है?
सी सक्सेस कैनॉट बी यूनिडायमेंशनल। सक्सेस के बहुत डायमेंशंस होते हैं। Nowadays, youngsters have this tendency of taking short-term successes as real success, which is not the case. As I said, success is not unidimensional. An individual can truly be successful who is able to balance family, career, and society at large. So initially, it is important for you to, as soon as you start working, you should give time to your family as well. There are individuals who get lost in their careers and are not able to give time to family. That to me is not success. Success is where you are able to balance your family as well as career. Secondly, even in your career, you must have goals that maybe 5 years down the line, this is where I want to reach, probably 10 years down the line. So you must have goals in your career and you must be able to achieve those goals as you move along. That is number 2, career. And number 3 is society at large. These days, it's a tendency of youngsters to just think about themselves, but not think about the country and the society at large. So for me, if you are able to do something for yourself as well as something for the society at large, that is truly success for me. So balancing your career, family and the society at large is real success, and that's the mantra for any individual like you, a youngster like you who wants to be really successful, should be able to balance family, work and society at large. That to me is really the real success.
Our teachers and our faculties have given enough efforts in improving the academic level of these students by introducing the activity-based learning, industrial visits, and also the interaction with the industries through invited lectures and interaction with the faculty members.
On this Teachers' Day, I just want to give a message to all the students that never stop learning, be curious, ask questions, and strive for excellence in everything you do. Your potential is limitless.
Whatever I learn, I'm able to imbibe in my students. So one is that, and most important, as a teacher, I felt the most important call I felt was to bring out the best potential of my student. So, and I'm working towards it.
First of all, I wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers Day. Teachers एक बहुत important role play करते हैं उनकी growth में, उनकी journey में, but student भी उतने ही important हैं, क्योंकि जब तक दोनों एक साथ काम नहीं करते तब तक कोई भी effort, कोई भी चीज़ का result नहीं आ सकता. जब वो यहाँ से pass out होते हैं, then at that particular time वो एकदम अलग आइडेंटिटी हैं, एक अलग पर्सनालिटी हैं. उनका ग्रोथ देख करके भी ऑल टीचर्स फील वेरी प्राउड, एंड आई विश कि हमारे बच्चे इसी तरीके से बहुत अच्छा ग्रो करें. हम हमेशा प्राउडली कह पाएँ कि हाँ, हमने इनको पढ़ाया है, ये हमारे बच्चे हैं, हम इनके टीचर्स हैं. बिकॉज कोई भी टीचर विदाउट स्टूडेंट उसका कोई इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं है, कोई अहमियत नहीं है. टीचर्स तभी हैं जब स्टूडेंट्स हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच.